In today's video, I'm gonna add a warm light effect to make the image pop with some attractive tone. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to get notified about new videos. So let's get it started. First, open the photo in the Snapseed mobile app and go to crop option. Crop the image in the square ratio. Go to tune image option. Increase the shadows. Decrease the highlights. Go to vintage option. Select the last one from the preset. Increase the style strength. Also increase the vignette strength. Go to brush option, select dodge and burn. Brush out the horizontal portion to reveal a little bit of details in the image. And again, select brush, select temperature. Brush out the same portion as you did before. And now save the image. We need another image to create the double exposure, rather to create that light effect in the image. So I have just downloaded an image from a website. It's a free image. I have also given the link in the description, so just go and check it out. As always, open the image in the Snapseed mobile app. Go to tune image option, increase the saturation to 100. Go to black and white option. Select contrast. Select the blue color from the color range. And now go to curves option. Select hard contrast because we need to recover the details of the road only. Again, go to curves, but this time we need neutral tone. And drag it down to make it black. Go to masking. And brush out all the portion except the road, because we need only the portion of the road to create that double exposure. And again, go to curves. Select the blue color from the color range and drag it down to make it warm. Again, go to curves, but this time select green color from the color range and drag it down to make it more warmer and more brighter. Now save the image. After that, select lens blur and place it over the image and save it. We need both the image to make the final result. Getting back to the previous image, select details, increase the structure a little bit, go to view edits, select masking and brush out the portion of the road that is visible. And now select double exposure at the previously saved image, that is without the lens blur. Place the image properly. Select lighten from the style menu and again go to double exposure. Select the image that is with lens blur. Place it properly. But this time select add from the style menu. Decrease the opacity a little bit. Go to curves. Select hard contrast from the style menu. Go to tune image. Increase the saturation a little bit. And also the ambience. So that is the final output. Thanks for watching. Do follow me on Instagram at @Photorocks with D.